Hello friends, I am Dr. Rashmi Bhamre, Gynec consultant, IVF expert and robotic surgeon. Today we are going to discuss about the gynecological condition wherein which patient will require a medical management and which patient will require a surgical management. Not all patients will require surgery, okay, but certain conditions like fibroids, adenomyosis, polyps, ovarian cyst, endometriosis, chocolate cyst, there are various kind of diseases. Each disease, the cause, the etiology is different, and that's why the treatment is also different. Generally speaking, when the disease is in the mild condition, we always begin with the medical management. When it comes to medical management, there can be two options. One is a hormonal method, other is a non-hormonal method. Most of the patients can be dealt with the non-hormonal method, but certain conditions like dysfunctional uterine bleeding, ovarian cyst, or certain conditions which are hormonally interfered have to be treated by hormonal management. Now here, one very important thing that one must understand, that the hormones has to be given very meticulously and correctly, because some certain conditions can be aggravated if the hormones are given in a wrong way or a wrong hormone given or given in an inappropriate way. So whenever you are choosing a medical management, it has to be done by an expert doctor who is very well understanding the endocrinology and each and every drug very clearly. But in some condition, when the disease is beyond the medical line of management, and then in that case, the surgical management is the only option and in fact the most suitable option for the patient. In that case, surgery is warranted. When we were students long back, gynecological surgery were only by open surgery, and we have witnessed all kind of complication post-surgery because of the surgery and not because of the disease. Then later on, laparoscopy introduced, which is a keyhole surgery. And then the life become easy. But then there are many technical hurdles during surgery. Camera were not adequate, the light was not adequate. So many assistant doctors were needed to help the operating surgeon. And now, the recent era, the world is witnessing the most advanced gynecological care which is never before. Robotic gynecological surgery. What is a robotic gynec surgery? It is again a keyhole surgery in a minimal invasive method, but here the surgeon is sitting on a console. The camera, the vision is excellent. It's 3D, 4D vision. Along with the instrument has a more flexibility. Very delicate and very advanced instruments are available. So a surgeon alone can operate very nicely with minimal assistant help. So only technology is not enough. Success of the surgery depends on the experience, precision and judgment of the surgeon guiding the technology. So where do you go first matters, and who is the operating hand has a huge difference in your care. Be at Ruby Hall, care for you, for your best gynecological management. Thank you.